Thunder Blows Online TV. Thunder Blow.
How do you react to that?
Well, I believe that's what you call res ipsa loquitur. Facts speak for itself. On Friday, to be precise, there was an attempt to effect service on Chief Mike Ozukome, the National Counsel for the Governor, CJ, and the Speaker. I was in court personally on Monday last week in Abuja. He said he was served on Friday with the process. And that motion, it was a motion filed to revived. That was what you used, revived. When you are saying revived, that means something is no more there.
You are trying to put life to it.
Yes, that's what they said. A motion to revive the ex parte order. That's to maintain the status quo, to revive status quo. That is a point of argument. Revive. That means something is not there. The senior advocate there knows that. Look, the last one of an ex parte order is 14 days. 14 days has expired. There are a lot of papers before the court, nothing was said about it. Now, on Monday, when we appear before the court, I appear in the court. Personally, I was in the court. No order was made by that court. If there's any order, I believe, the next thing is for the council to apply for a certified true copy of that order and make it public.
But he said the judge made advisory warning that parties should stay action.
I listened to that interview. He was asked whether it was a directive or an advice that was given. He said an advice. If you advise me, must I listen to your advice? It's a question.
So now, what is going to likely happen? Because he said he is very optimistic. What you are going to do here may translate into exercise opportunity.
Well, we don't know. We don't know. We don't know. We can never say that. Well, he has admitted that he has been served. He is aware of the pending proceedings. Let us see. The highest thing is, if he has any basis, if there's any irregularity in the proceeding that was conducted today, and that of tomorrow or the day that it was adjourned for judgment, then he can challenge it in court. As rightly said by led counsel to the Zamfara House Assembly, once an impeachment proceedings is, initiated, no court can stop it. The constitution is very clear. Yes.
As a chief law officer,
yes,
the government is critically accused of having too much to say when it comes to issue of court cases. At least from your defection to date, you have more than 7 to 8 cases in court. How are you going to survive?
Yes, it's not 7 to 8 cases. I am giving. We have 57 pending cases in court, not 7 to 8. 57.
But how are you going to survive?
We are going to survive it. It's politics.
But do you think it's healthy to survive?
Well, we know who are those who are behind it.
What are the nature of
Let me give you, for example, now.
The
All these cases are on issue of defection. Political cases on issue of defection. Let me tell you. Not all. I'm just giving percentage about 32 of them. Now, they are making reference to this case number ABJ 650 2021. There are some cases that were filed about 32 by Engineer Yakumaru, a former House of Assembly member. Instead of him to file a single case challenging the defection of the executive governor, the senators, the House of Reps, and House of Assembly, he decided to split it individually.
How many?
About 32. Look at it. Is that not frustrating? But we know he's not doing it on his own. There's somebody behind it. And God will push him out.
Sir, how prepared are you?
We have filed our document. In fact, I'm even prosecuting the defense of that case personally. Personally. I have to do it.
So Senator Marafa has also, and his people have instituted 3 cases again, all regarding this internal corrections in the APC. AG, people listening to this interview, Zamfara people, who are yearning for dividend of democracy, looking at government concentrating on political cases that are not useful to their socio-economic well-being. How do you relate it to?
You see, there's no case that's not useful. This government was brought in by court order, by court judgment, and we have to answer course of court. Cases were filed. We are not the one who initiated the cases, isn't it? Our governor was sued. Our political party was sued. We have to go and defend it. What do you do?
So why are we regarding these organization cases? Contractors are taking you to court demanding for government facilities as a government.
Well, we are in charge of those cases.
We have used the government lodge in Abuja.
No. When was that?
Have you recovered it?
No. Nothing like that.
Something?
No. It's just a hearsay.
It's hearsay.
It's a hearsay.
On the deputy governor's allegation yesterday that you are just doing it to him because he defected. He refused to join you.
Well, you said defection. This is not the first time that you come across a governor in a one political party and his deputy in a different political party. Even in Sokoto, it happens. In some states, it happens.
There was no impeachment.
Well, it all depends. Go and look at live issues before the court. I don't want to comment on them.
Sir, you are the chief law officer, and like you said, that your government is the beneficiary of court judiciary matter.
Yes.
Now, can you tell us, are you guiding and the state government?
Of course, of course. When Thunderblowers talk about these garnishing proceedings, a lot of garnishing proceedings were initiated, but I find my way of tackling them.
In my last interview, you said you have about 50-something garnishing cases.
Yeah, of course.
Where are we now?
Well, we are in control. We are in control. We are in control. We are in control because we are paying them. Even last week, a payment was made.
Of how much?
Well, I know there's one contract that was spent about 36 million. We have already arranged with him to be paying 36 million on monthly basis.
So
in Kaduna.
Well,
they are all live cases because we are still paying. We negotiated with him to be paying them installmentally, and we have gone far. That's why Temple has school. Yes.
Thunder Blows Online TV. Thunder Blows.